Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel which is explore yourselves, banking and general knowledge etc. Today I will discuss part 2 of my Path to the Corner Office series for JIIB Paper 2 Principles and Practices of Banking. Welcome to part 2 of the JIIB examination series where I explain important MCQs from Paper 2, break down key concepts and provide clear, practical explanations to help you strengthen your understanding and accelerate your banking career growth. MCQ from Module A General Banking Operations, AML KYC Guidelines, Money Laundering and Financing of Terrorism Risks, AML Framework in India, Know Your Customer Policy, Organizational Setup for AML, Obligations under PMLA, Risk Management, Obligations under international agreements, FATF identified jurisdictions, correspondent banks, reporting under FATCA, CRS, reporting obligations, implications of non-compliance of PMLA obligations, secrecy obligations. Question. Money laundering generally involves how many stages? Option A 1, option B 2, option B 3, option D 4. Correct answer is option C 3. That is placement, layering and integration. Question. Financing of terrorism involves option A only illegal funds, option B only legal funds, option C both legal and illegal funds, option D only cash transactions. Correct answer is option C both legal and illegal funds. Question. The primary AML legislation in India is option A FEMA 1999, option B PMLA 2002, option C BR Act 1949, option D NI Act 1881. Correct answer is option B PMLA 2002. Question. The KYC guidelines in India are issued by option A RBI, option B SEBI, option C IRDAI, option D Ministry of Finance. Correct answer is option A RBI. Question. Customer due diligence CDD is done at which stage? Option A at the time of account closure, option B at the time of establishing a relationship, option C after issuing a checkbook, option D after customer becomes inactive. Correct answer is option B at the time of establishing a relationship. Question. The risk category requiring enhanced due diligence EDD is option A low risk customers, option B salaried employees, option C politically exposed persons PAPs, option D senior citizens. Correct answer is option C politically exposed persons PAPs. Question. Ongoing due diligence primarily focuses on option A annual customer meetings, option B monitoring customer transactions, option C collecting tax returns, option D marketing new products. Correct answer is option B monitoring customer transactions. Question. STR suspicious transaction report is submitted to option A RBI, option B FIUIND, option C IRDAI, option D SEBI. Correct answer is option B FIUIND. Question. Cash transaction reports CTR must be filed for cash transactions of option A rupees 25,000 and above, Option B, rupees 1 lakh and above. Option C, above rupees 10 lakh. Option D, above rupees 50 lakh. Correct answer is option C, above rupees 10 lakh. Question. FATF stands for option A, Foreign Asset Tracking Forum. Option B, Financial Action Task Force. Option C, Finance Audit Task Force. Option D, Fiscal Anti-Terror Forum. Correct answer is option B, Financial Action Task Force. Question. FATF identifies high risk and monitored jurisdictions through its option A, green list. Option B, white list. Option C, grey and black list. Option D, blue list. Correct answer is option C, grey and black lists. Question. KYC means option A, know your corporation. Option B, know your customer. Option C, keep your cash. Option D, know your compliance. Correct answer is option B, know your customer. Question. Beneficial owner in KYC context refers to option A, account nominee. Option B, person controlling the customer. Option C, joint holder. Option D, signatory only. Correct answer is option B, person controlling the customer. Question. Correspondent banking relationships must undergo option A, partial KYC. Option B, simplified KYC. Option C, enhanced due diligence. Option D, no KYC. Correct answer is option C, enhanced due diligence. Question. Under FATCA CRS, banks must report option A, all resident customers. Option B, US persons and reportable foreign tax residents. Option C, only senior citizens. Option D, rural customers only. Correct answer is option B, US persons and reportable foreign tax residents. Question. Ultimate beneficial ownership UBO identification is mandatory for option A, minor accounts. Option B, companies and partnerships. Option C, joint accounts. Option D, savings accounts only. Correct answer is option B, companies and partnerships. Question. Non-compliance with PMLA obligations may lead to option A, only warnings. Option B, monetary penalties. Option C, jail and penalties. Option D, no consequence. Correct answer is option C, jail and penalties. Question. The purpose of KYC is to option A, improve bank profitability. Option B, identify and verify customers. Option C, increase customer complaints. Option D, reduce branch staff workload. Correct answer is option B, identify and verify customers. Question. Suspicious transactions must be reported within how many days of detection? Option A, 3 days. Option B, 5 days. Option C, 7 days. Option D, immediately. Correct answer is option D, immediately. Question. AML organizational structure of a bank includes option A, only branch manager. Option B, principal officer and designated director. Option C, only CEO. Option D, only marketing team. Correct answer is option B, principal officer and designated director. Question. The full form of PAP is option A, public exchange person, option B, politically engaged partner, option C, politically exposed person, option D, public employment person. Correct answer is option C, politically exposed person. Question. KYC requirements for small accounts include option A, full KYC only, option B, simplified KYC with restrictions, option C, no KYC required, option D, only PAN required. Correct answer is option B, simplified KYC with restrictions. Question. Which document is mandatory for PAN exempt small accounts? Option A, Aadhaar mandatory, option B, photograph plus official valid document, option C, no document required, option D, utility bill only. Correct answer is option B, photograph plus official valid document. Question. International AML guidelines are mainly driven by option A, UNESCO, option B, FATF, option C, WTO, option D, Interpol. Correct answer is option B, FATF. Question. Secrecy obligations of a bank may be breached under option A, newspaper request, option B, customer request only, option C, court or statutory authority orders, option D, third party complaints. Correct answer is option C, court or statutory authority orders. Question. Which among the following is not an objective of AML? Option A, preventing proceeds of crime, option B, combating terrorism financing and encouraging anonymous accounts, option D, ensuring clean financial system. Correct answer is option C, encouraging anonymous accounts. Question. For high risk customers, banks must undertake option A, simplified KYC, option B, enhanced due diligence EDD, option C, minimum KYC, option D, KYC exemption. Correct answer is option B, enhanced due diligence EDD. Question. FATCA is a regulations of which country? Option A, India, option B, UK, option C, USA, option D, Canada. Correct answer is option C, USA. Question. CRS stands for option A, Customer Reporting Standard, option B, Common Reporting Standard, option C, Centralized Record System, option D, Client Risk Scoring. Correct answer is option B, Common Reporting Standard. Question. Correspondent banking risk mainly arises due to option A, high profitability, option B, cross-border relationships, option C, no account opening, option D, only domestic transactions. Correct answer is option B, cross-border relationships. Thank you very much for your patience. Request for like, subscribe and share.